Suno is an AI that helps you create music. It's free to use, but with a paid plan, you can also produce copyright free albums. You can write your own lyrics or have AI generate them. Then you can choose a genre for the AI to sing your lyrics. Now, let's go over how to use Suno. First, go to suno.com. Click the login button at the bottom left to create an account and log in. Click Create to make a song. In the song description field, describe the vibe you want, and the AI will generate two songs. You can also select instrumental to get instrument only version without voice. For more control, I recommend using custom to write your lyrics and select the genre. You can input your lyrics in the lyrics section by adding prompts like square bracket, intro, outro, verse 1, verse 2, chorus. The AI will organize the sections. Enter your desired music style in the Style of Music field to select the genre. Finally, enter a title in the title field and click Create to generate the music. The time it takes to create the music may vary depending on your computer specs and network speed. Creating two songs uses 10 credits. If you run out of credits, 50 credits will be replenished after 24 hours. This means free users can create up to 10 songs per day. Your music is now complete. Click the Options button, Create to access more features. You are able to extend the song, combine the song, share it by a link, or download it. Click Share Copy Link. Copy the generated link and upload it to Padlet.